Oh. Don't. Center po. Na. Yeah, saka na. Okay. Ready. Oh, good. Yeah, lakbo, sir. Tumulak, sir. Yeah, okay, good. Tumakuha na sana. Yeah, isa pa. Sige. Yan, tama. Stretch out yan, ha? Get ready. Baka. Oh. Okay. Sa harap, may buhay ka. On the right, kukuha ang bola. Yeah. Oh, close it. Tapat na. Close. Okay, close the net. Oh. Baka. Okay, isma. Hit. Yan. Sige, balik ulit. Balik. Ready. Oh, lamay na. Okay. Pinta. Correct. Very good. Stay. Hit it. Okay. Yan. Medyo equal yung tumuha mo sa bola. Parang ditin mo kasi ano, pag sinalo mo yung bola, dito yung form yung kamay mo, ganyan. Pag mo raketa, ganun din yung form dyan. Walang pagkakaiba yan. Tapos sa harap na kamay yung bola, yung tulak mo. Okay, oh. Yes, okay. Tulak. Yes, okay. One more. Hit it. Yeah. Oh. Maintain sustain, ha? Get ready. Oh, turn. Hit. Yeah. Don't forget bend your knee. Yeah. Again. Turn. Hit it. Yeah. Oh, baka. Hit. Yeah. Approach. Okay. Lapit ko sa net. Forward. Close the net. Go. Forehand. Again. Volley. Backhand volley. Yan. Smack. Hit. Yan. Move back. Oh, good. Yeah, very good. Hit. Yeah. Close the net. Oh. Close the net. Touch the net. Touch the net. Move back. Hit. Oh. Smack. Okay, again. Overhead. Yan. Okay, overhead tayo, sir. Overhead. Ito, ha. Take hold, ha. Take hold. Overhead. Side. Hold the ball. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos mo. Mobility. Overhead. Tapos yung back side. Take hold, ha. Para ikaw mag-a-adjust sa bola. Okay. Sige. Atas ka na konti para may galaw ka. Sige pa. Go. Close, touch the net. Oh, move back, atras. Overhead kasi yan. Go. Sige. Oh, atras. Yes, ikaw mismo gagawa ng idea ng para maka-atras ka, para makuha mo yung bola. Oh, ready? Go. Atras. Yan, tama yan. Kasi hindi susubo sa'yo yung bola. Ilalayo sa'yo, kaya nga overhead eh. Okay. Okay, ready? Yeah, wala. Ready? Touch. Side. Hit it. There. Approach. Hit. There. Hey, come on. Hit. Yeah. Gusto natin to. Ready? Go. Hit it. Yeah. Oh. Hit. Yeah. Ready? Balik ko na. Oh. Good. Ready. Overhead. Bilang. Go. Oh, harder, ha? Oh, timing. Get ready. Hit it. Yan. Oh. Move back. Atras. Yes. Oh. Close. Touch the net. Move back. There. Okay, close the net. Touch the net. Hit it. There. Oh, close the net. Touch the net. Move back. Hit it. Yes. Oh, last 3 balls. Go. Hit it. There. Come on. Touch. Move back. Atras. There. Come on. Forward. Close the net. Touch the net. Move back. Hit. Oh, last 3 balls. Ready. Hit. There. Oh, one more. Last 2 balls. Hit. There. Go. And now. Hit it. Oh, one more. Hit. Yan. Okay na, sir. Malakas yung
gamit ni Ayala.
Oh, maganda rin yan, sir.
O may pinagkaiba yun?
Ah?
May pinagkaiba ba dito yun? Ano parehas na?